Retain. To keep possession of something or continue to have it over time. The company is working hard to retain talented employees. Customers are more likely to stay loyal if a company can retain their trust. It's hard to retain all the information from a long lecture. She managed to retain her composure during the meeting. Preserve. We must preserve our natural environment for future generations. Maintain. It's important to maintain good relationships with clients. The organization aims to retain its position as the market leader.